Former Black Stars player, Ghana legend, Reverend Osei Kofi, and Sembi Atuja, and from Mohammed Kudus. Or say or no, Reverend Osei Kofi, said you see him ball, any ball. Or few say, Adia Bakwa Black Stars a pa at this moment. And they say, you better build the Black Stars team no around Mohammed Kudus. Young more born over Black Stars said you better be Boama Kudus, etimia perform better. Because on only few say the Argentina for building on team around Messi. And Messi boa a bomber munya results no. Say yetimi yes be efa Mohammed Kudus ho obe boa ama Black Stars enya results looking at quality okita. And all the time I normal bobo omni polo a example. Say polo about team mu na o build team around polo a. Boy say so timi boni ye. And after hand style no now or a plan or strategy I be bringing the best out of polo o team ni perform it and on only GD says sir and let's say Mohammed Kudus darling Paul
Biggie I think say asem me fa no two ways e fa baby me ne Reverend Osei Kofi Adwen e fa baby so me free say eni ema esesa kakra recently among for kan about Black Stars say yen redevelop eniema with the current squad near one. It shouldn't be like say train ajeka posesia. But anka yam build the team ne kakra. Asamoah enche enokoka say enke bia anke for 5 years entu yanim. Aye behwe say be developing yama ye. Na anke etima ede enya eye good team. Reverend Osei Kofi Akanede. Heroes ne ekoso no.
Yeah.
Gareth Southgate enya a lot of criticisms. Oh cheke ayem penyufo pi almo Englander. Omo semo omo can say it's not that England any exceptional players. They have players. They can build a team around certain players. But now football no the time build the team e will play abakoso. Football is a teamwork, collective play. You should have that collective unit. And so now, team movie.
Yeah.
And they think, say, as a Southgate, I build the team around players be. And it is a players ne ko offer. Team ne so struggle. You made mention of Polo. Say, or similarly be Polo. Na Ghana build the team around Polo. So you play this suity Polo's play no. Ebasa Emma unya the best from Polo. Now drive it team on. Into 2 ways. Either say ube pe best out of a player. And also ube jai team no. No ye team no collectively. Team no never move as a team. Football is science now. Reverend Osei Kofi asem no okano. Me free so okasa because enei se wo hye Ghana Black Stars boboko no anase yen team ne e wona. Untimi nka nyi Kudus mfrim. With the kind of performance a Kudus dem a e EPL nim. Any Western boboko no. So wo check quality e kura Kudus. E the final third. Obeka say he is one of the best e wo yanim wo. E kwai of us wo do one play. A quite of us to take on players. Kudus are very, very good with the ball. And without the ball, who say ultimate drive it back and so the take kakra. So when you are talking of traits of Kudus, the skill set no was so we're a very fine player.
Yeah.
And the anybody say kebe build the team no around Kudus. But you ask yourself, say, Kudus Black Stars and the Debiani Ebenyana. Black Stars na yebono. Kudus debiani ebenyanana. Even Kudus himself, Black Stars na debiani obenyani day na. These are questions that we should ask. Enfan wo so a fine player. Enfan wo say Ghana team no say o din. Amafo bebre din e ko park. Enfan wo say Kudus say Black Stars no o kan untimi nkan jan Kudus no. Me free say Reverend Osei Kofi on a point. Menene ya adwen say anke bi o say build the team no around Kudus. Na a day the best out of Kudus ba. But it shouldn't be so. Football na se sakakra. Now, Real Madrid, as Bobo Kwane, Waji Liga Champions League. They have a lot of quality players in their setup.
Yeah.
But Biggie, maybe so say single out one player, Real Madrid for building team no honor. Why not be bonidi? Pep Guardiola Salah. When you go to the EPL, and they or show pa. The last 5 seasons, what do caps a bear 9? When it comes to Champions League, and Chen or GB, at the end day so obeji. But so checking Manchester City Bobo Kunepa. Can you single out one player? Oh, because of Pep Guardiola, I build the team on. Manchester United, Eric Ten Hag, Atletico de Madrid, Diego Simeone e Koro.
Manchester United why?
I want to build the team on.
There be ubo coach in the
Ten Hag.
No system papa be no obo okopo bi abedi asini so.
Whether he's playing a good system or a bad system.
Yes. Well, queer papa. Nipa ubra bread.
Wala was a traffic light. So red, so yellow. You understand? But even whether his system is good or bad, can we single out a single player? Say, Abia, on no build the team no one. Is it the Bavarians? Thomas took a team no yama by Munchino. Why not or build a team no one? Football nanka says, football is scientific now. Football nanka sano ewo different dimension. Ebi abeka same lebi ekem na Manchester United are building team on a certain place. Cristiano Ronaldo when Rooney. Real Madrid no more Cristiano Ronaldo and a face of the team. Madini mo almost time back up. Now the piano almost standing out of teams almost bo ewum. So with this kind of players, all build the team around them. Now be abema that solidity ewo team nim. That was then. Cantona, Manchester United. At some point in time, Ronaldinho, Blaugranes, Barcelona, Bobo Konim. But ene emprempram ene wo kasai biggie football ne sesa etu example make here he says polo when was time and polo bubble the historian or ebi obeka he will mention 70s 80s enye ne interne if you want to have a good team you should build a good team. You can have individual differences, individual brilliance, individual skill set. But so when you're good team, won't win any games. Entina me mention Southgate. Say nay, uko Englander. Amobo Southgate sobo. Say they are very good players. Jude Bellingham, form, Real Madrid, Los Blancos, and what they buy. Saka, form Arsenal. The Gunners and what they buy with the individual skill set, are more brilliant players. But collectively, so we can't team in our boom. No more moving on, no. Adding the England. But check Manchester City team, no. They move as a team. Say, Hala Niwa, Fino. Even Kevin De Bruyne. Oh, because to some extent, he's the engine of their team, especially our final third. Feno. An all-round team. Kudus is a very good player. Kudus, Ebobia, Ebeboa Ghana. Ghana needs Kudus now. Ye Kudus pa. Baby, say, we are playing to suit Kudus. Say the baby in a skill set in a PA. Say the baby in Konya and a PA. So we play a certain system. We deploy a strategy that will bring out the best out of Kudus. For that one, in any arguing. But we shouldn't build a team around Kudus. Two different things, and American biggie. We play a system. we go in with a game plan. Approach should bring out the best out of Kudus, Mohammed. Ghana game plan, no, it should bring out the best from Kudus, not Kudus alone. It should be a system. Players in Kudus is our best player now. But in Black Stars recent games. But Kudus say a magic in our recent games you born no AFCON. The last 2 games you boy Kudus appearance no. Ni imprint ye ye. Obo pa. But Kudus pe any akwa build the team on. It should be all round team. Biggie. Reverend Sekofi, I respect him a lot. Me papa ni me din koma. Also opinion ni bola no ni bono. Ono na na etimi ka se Kwame Nkrumah ma na de wa ma na omo. At some point in time, me bisa me papa say, na Reverend Sekofi, one Charles Taylor one ni bobo. Na ye diamond so be chusu do ni bobo ama me. But ye nyina hu eye talent na ekura Charles Taylor. Enti a chance opani no ni bobo pa. Onim die obo ne ho pa. But that time any ene no enema bebre na asesa. Encheye na Black Stars. Obeka Sula Ali Muntari. Obeka Michael Essien. Obeka Stephen Appiah. Obeka John Mensah, the Rock of Gibraltar. Na Black Stars team no betima bubo di bebre. Even Aminu Dramani see a kind of out of Lions. But about the shit team he fit in so well because team wasn't built around any player. It was a collective unit. And Tomu movie, who's a team in a movie? Okay, important goals. Razak Bempong. Obabe Shema. What he is bringing on board. Obetima fitting in so well. And teacher K. That time, players are not to me Babe Urem. 2006, you call World Cup. And the Kwepo never left back. Or we are also pressure on it, so whatever. Habib Mohammed then was playing for Ken Faisal. Obabe Shemu Boboni. Shela Yesu that time Tim Ben Anobo. Obabe Shemu. What you say, Biggie? And when you have all-round team, so what do be quite free outside? Baby boom. When you identify talent, bunting. So the name Baby Rema or Baby Remu ye. But build the team no on Biggie. No Biggie ame Ejuma yenye. You understand?
Yeah.
Regardless of the quality of Biggie on the field of play, and what say unya a supportive instrument.
To me to wasi ya. Yam build the team no to bring out the best in Mohammed Kudus.
Exactly.
But then just say yam build the team no.
Fancy
Kudus so. Mate. Me da se darling Paul and also there